Welcome to Resilient PNT 360 and 180, where we give you a 360-degree view of a topic in 180 seconds or less.
My name is Robert Burke, and I am actually the Simulation Director for Business Development for the simulation team at Orolia. OAPP is an acronym that stands for Orolia Academic Partnership Program. And essentially is a program that Orolia has recently started that gives us the ability to donate some of our test and simulation systems to universities and research organizations. As far as eligibility goes, it's for any research or university that does both of those at the same time. So what we mean by that is they're actually doing real research in the industry, and at the same time they have educational programs, whether that's general programs, whether that's an undergraduate course, or it's programs for PhDs type students. Skydale is a new approach on test and simulation for GPS, GNSS, or any application using positioning, navigation, and timing. Essentially what it is it's three parts. The first part is the actual software itself. And this is a full simulation engine with all the capabilities, all constellations, all frequencies. At the same time, then it actually has two other portions of that, which is the actual computer or the graphics card that it goes on. So Skydale is quite different in the fact that it actually doesn't use channels, it actually uses GPUs or graphics cards. And the third part of that is the actual software-defined radios. So an interesting part about Skydale is that we do not require you to use our equipment. We allow you to use maybe SDRs that are already on site from maybe a company like National Instruments or Edis Research or DECTEC. The licenses are actually designed to work in two parts. The first part is actually the permanent license. So Orolia donates a fully optioned license. That's all frequencies, all constellations, as well as spoofing, jamming, advanced dynamics, hardware in the loop, essentially anything that's not part of our classified signals. And that is a permanent license that the university or the research organization owns. We don't charge any extra fees. We don't force anybody to pay support on it. That's their permanent license. But the second part is the most exciting to me, which is we actually offer student licenses. So if a professor is teaching a course, they actually have the ability to grant temporary licenses to students. So that could be a couple of specific features for a timed period, like a 2-week program. So that way the actual generation of tomorrow actually has access to advanced test and simulation tools as part of the learning curriculum. To learn more, obviously you can go to orolia.com, but of course you can contact us directly or contact me directly, Robert Burke. And of course you can always find me on LinkedIn.